Hello everyone. In the last video I showed you guys how you can go ahead and create a list on SharePoint using an Excel spreadsheet. However, there are some other options that we can use when creating a list. So if we go ahead and click on New, come over to List, and once it loads, we'll see all our different options. So we have some templates that we can use from Microsoft that may have some associated workflows with them. We also may have some that were created by our organization. And this is the one we selected in the last video, Excel, but you can also use a CSV file. You can also base it on an existing list. And then you have some of these other options as well. Let's go ahead and do the one using the form. And then once the user fills out the form, it'll actually populate the list based on the information that the user entered into the form. So we'll call this one YouTube test list 2. We can decide if we want to have it appear in this navigation. So we'll leave that on. And it may take a moment to, oh, actually it went kind of quick. So as we fill this out, this is going to be how it's going to appear for the requester. And if we want, we can add a logo there. We can describe what the form is about. So I'll just leave that off for now. But these are some of the different options that we can add. So we can have, so right now that's a title. So we can just put your name. Okay. Next one we can do who referred you. And then what that's going to do, it's going to allow them to go ahead and select someone within our organization. So it should auto-populate once they select it. We can choose to make these required or not. This one should be required because it's the title, but then these other ones, we can decide what we want to make sure, what we want to make required. And then from there, we can add maybe your preferred start date. Okay, that'll be date and time. Or actually, we can choose if we want to add time onto it, but we'll just go ahead and leave it off so it's just a date. And then we'll make that required. And we'll also make this required. So we just have 3 fields, which is fine. And then from here, we can decide if we want to, looks like attachments, so we can decide if we want to allow them to add an attachment or not, but we don't need to. We can adjust the order here as well. We can go ahead and change our theme. So use one of these out-of-the-box ones, or we can create our own. And then we can also get notified when one of these requests are submitted. So we can decide if we want to accept new responses or not. We can choose a start and end date for when we want this form to be available. And then this is also the catch message that the user will get after they submit their form. So if everything looks good, we can go ahead and hit send form. And then we'll copy it. We'll copy link, and then we can go ahead and preview it as well. Let's go ahead and open it up in a new tab. Okay, so your name. My name is Mike. Who referred you? So we'll go Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt referred us. Brad Pitt, and our preferred start date. We'll put tomorrow. Okay, now that everything is filled out, you can see that the asterisk is there, so those are required. We can go ahead and submit. Thank you, your response has been submitted. So we can go and submit another response if we want to, but what we're going to do is we're going to come back over, and we're going to go ahead and reload our form here. Or our list, sorry. And then you can see it has the information from the form. And then if we want to, we can always go in and edit that form, and we can add additional columns to our list. Maybe we have some internal columns that we don't want to display to the user that we maybe want to fill out for analysts that go through these lists. We can do that on here, or we can decide that we want to add more columns to that form, and then in turn, that should go ahead and add them over to our list as well. If you guys have any questions about how to submit forms that are linked to your list, please let me know. Otherwise, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.